નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Student, today we start our revision work in Standard 7 Social Science. Student, today we start our revision video in chapter number 2. Our first lesson, 2 big states, is completed. Now lesson number 2, motion of the earth. So in first video we will start our revision with choose the correct answer. So let's start. First question, which elements of the universe moves? So answer are there: sun, moon, earth, or all of these. Which element of the universe moves? So answer will come D. All of these. In the universe there are also sun, moon and earth. So answer will be all of these. Second, Tropic of Capricorn is located at 66.5 north, 23.5 north, 23.5 degrees south or 66.5 degrees south. So answer is 23.5 degree south. Third question, the rays of the sun fall straight on the means which date and where? The sun rays of the sun fall straight on Tropic of Cancer on 21st June, Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd November, Arctic Circle on 12th August, and the Antarctic Circle 12th December. So answer will come Tropic of Cancer on 21st June. Fourth question, Norway is located in. So where is Norway located? Norway is located in Asia, B. Russia, C. Europe, or D. America. So answer is Europe. So Norway is located in Europe. Student, our next question is question number 2. Write true or false. So the revolves around the sun maintaining a fixed distance throughout the year. The revolves around the sun means our earth is revolved around the sun. So that one is maintaining whole the year same distance. So maintaining a fixed distance. So answer is wrong. Throughout the year the sun, our earth is not revolving around the sun in a same fixed distance. So answer will come wrong. Secondly, the longest day comes in the month of December, and whereas shortest days in the month of June. So answer is also wrong because longest day is not in December and shortest day is not in June. So answer will come wrong. Third one, longest day comes in the month of June. So what answer will come? Answer is right because on 21st June, that one is the longest day. So the longest day comes in the month of June. That one is the right answer. People of London are lucky enough to get only slanted sun rays. So in lesson we learned that people of London are lucky to enough get only slanting. Slanting means traffic. Slanting sun rays. So answer will come true. Now next one, the sun never sets near the Arctic Circle between mid-May to July, and the sun never sets near the Arctic Circle. We are talking about here Arctic Circle between mid-May to July, and so answer will come right. Now third question is fill in the blanks. So first the blanks is the distance between the earth and the sun is not same throughout the year due to the dash shaped orbit. So in the true or false we learned that the distance between the earth and sun is not same. Why? Because throughout the year due to the oval shape. So answer is oval shape orbit. Second is days are long where the rays of the sun fall straight. So answer is straight. Days are long where the sun rays fall straight. Third one, Makar Sankranti is observed when the sun enters the dash zodiac. Makar Sankranti is observed when the sun enters the Capricorn. So answer will come Capricorn. Fourth, fill in the blanks. One country where the sun is always on the overhead. Which country? This question also asked like this. Which country where the sun is always the overhead? So answer will come. It is Singapore. Singapore is the country where the sun is always overhead. Fifth one city where the sunlight remains till 8 o'clock in the evening. Which city is the sunlight remains till 8 o'clock in the evening? So answer is London. Now next question, answer the following question in one or two sentence. So let's start our answer the following question. First question, what is the shape of the orbit? So what is the shape of the orbit? So answer is the shape of the orbit is oval. Otherwise, this can also ask oval is the shape of dash. So we can answer oval shape is the orbit. So what is the shape of the orbit? Is answer is oval, and oval is the shape of dash. So answer will come orbit. Second question, what is a year? Whom we can say year? So answer is a period of 365 days. When 365 days complete, our 1 year is complete. So a period of 365 days which the earth requires to complete one revolution. To complete one revolution, earth requires 365 days. Otherwise, when the earth start to revolution, it take to complete one revolution, so it take 365 days. So we can say a period of 365 days with the earth required to complete one revolution. So that one is known as a year. Third question, why do season occurs? Why season is happening? So answer is seasons occur because of due to the revolution and tilt of the earth. So why seasons are occurs? There are 3 seasons: summer, winter and rainy season. So why seasons occurs? The answer is very simple. Seasons occurs because of due to the revolution and tilt of the earth. Now next question, when do the rays of the sun fall directly on the equator? When do the sun rays of the sun directly on the equator. So answer is the rays of the sun fall directly on the equator on which day? On 21st March and second is 23rd December. So the rays of the sun fall directly straight on the equator on the 21st March and second is 23rd December. Thank you for joining us.